Ladies and gentlemen, on this glorious evening, as Pakistan marks its 79th Independence Day, Pakistan Air Force pays tribute to the courage, sacrifice, and unwavering spirit of our nation. Tonight, we celebrate not only the freedom won, but also the freedom defended. Upholding its proud legacy of being second to none, Pakistan Air Force rewrote the very grammar of modern aerial warfare and penned a golden-lettered chapter in the annals of modern military aviation history. In a fierce, intense, and unprecedented air battle featuring the largest, most complex, and longest beyond visual range engagements ever witnessed, our valiant aviators delivered a decisive and lethal blow to the enemy. Shattering the plans of our adversary, Pakistan's Shaheens brought down 8 frontline enemy aircraft. 7 fighters, including 4 Rafale jets, 1 Su-30, 1 MiG-29, 1 Mirage 2000, and a high-altitude UAV. In a relentless campaign from north to south, high-value military targets, command and control infrastructure, and prized S-400 air defense systems were systematically neutralized with pinpoint precision. It was a masterclass in precision, power, and strategic foresight. With humility, we bow before Almighty Allah, whose blessings led us to Fateh Mubin. Ladies and gentlemen, throw your gaze towards the left and witness the Shaheens of Pakistan Air Force approaching the venue, a symbol of courage, strength, and unwavering resolve, soaring majestically towards the venue, carrying the pride of Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, the skies would now thunder with the arrival of another formidable guardian of the skies of Pakistan with commanding presence and unwavering purpose. It advances with power, precision, and grace, a symbol of courage, excellence, and unyielding spirit of Pakistan Air Force. Ladies and gentlemen, as the third fighter jet races towards the venue, its thunderous approach echoes unwavering resolve. Its speed speaks of fearsome power, while its blazing afterburners illuminate the skies, a radiant symbol of hope, strength, and a brighter tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching from the left is another magnificent aircraft of Pakistan Air Force, a proud embodiment of our courage, our resolve, and our unwavering commitment to defend the motherland. These aircraft emerge with the rhythm of our national heartbeat, steady, fierce, and unwavering. ए वतन तूने पुकारा तो लहू खोल उठा, तेरे बेटे तेरे जांबाज चले आते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, now the PF fighter jets would dazzle the venue from some other direction. हम हैं जो रेशमो कम ख्वाब से नाजुक तर हैं. हम हैं जो रेशमो कम ख्वाब से नाजुक तर हैं. हम हैं जो आहनो फौलाद से टकराते हैं. हम हैं जो गैरतो नामूस पे कट सकते हैं. हम हैं जो गैरतो नामूस पे कट सकते हैं. हम हैं जो अपनी शराफत की कसम खाते हैं. हमने रौंदा है बयाबानों को, सहराओं को. हम जो बढ़ते हैं तो बढ़ते ही चले जाते हैं. हमसे वाकिफ है ये दरिया, ये समंदर, ये पहाड़. हम नए रंग से तारीख को दोहराते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, the skies of Islamabad have come alive to present a grand salute to the nation. This is not just a sight to behold, but a story of ultimate courage. This is legacy in motion. This is precision. This is pride. This is the spirit of Shaheen. This is Pakistan Air Force.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pakistan Air Force. ज़ब्बानन के शाहीनम मुकारम बज़मी चीज़, सहरास्त के दरियास्त तहे बालों परे मास्त.
पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स हमारी शान, हमारी आन. और बच्चा बच्चा जब इन हवाबाजों को फजाओं में देखता है तो एक ड्रीम करता है कि मैंने भी पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स में जाना है, हवा को छूना है, आसमानों को छूना है.
पाकिस्तान के शाहीनों शाहपरों को सलाम. इस कौम के गाजियों शहीदों को सलाम.